plunged nearly 3%, marking one of its worst days in years because a sudden, unexpected player in the AI field, DeepSeek, a small Chinese startup that few had heard of until now, DeepSeek's AI model R1 has emerged as a direct competitor to the established giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. And the best part? This model, which has already made waves on the App Store, was developed for a mere $5.6 million. Compare that to the billion-dollar investments of major US tech companies, and it's clear why the AI world is in panic. The launch of DeepSeek R1 has thrown the US-led AI arms race into chaos, and experts are now questioning whether the high stakes and massive spending by American companies are truly necessary. In just a few days, DeepSeek has not only challenged the AI market but has begun to shake the very foundations of US tech dominance. DeepSeek's sudden rise. DeepSeek, a little-known Chinese startup, has quickly become a massive disruptor in the AI world. Just over a year old, the company has developed the R1 model, an AI system that rivals OpenAI's cutting-edge GPT technology. What's truly remarkable is that DeepSeek managed to achieve this feat with a fraction of the investment typically required to create AI models of this scale. While OpenAI's GPT-3, for instance, cost over $100 million to train, DeepSeek claims to have developed R1 for just $5.6 million. This revelation has shaken the tech industry, with investors questioning the massive budgets that US companies have poured into their AI projects. DeepSeek's unexpected success highlights the power of algorithmic efficiency over brute force computing power. Instead of relying on massive data centers, DeepSeek has created an AI model that can be run with minimal infrastructure, making it significantly cheaper to operate. This has implications far beyond just DeepSeek's R1 model. It suggests that AI could be entering an era where smaller, more efficient models replace the costly, large-scale models currently dominating the industry. The immediate reaction from the market has been one of panic, as stock prices for US tech giants like Nvidia, Meta, and Microsoft took a hit. How did a small Chinese startup manage to pull this off, and what does this mean for the future of AI development? The most shocking aspect of DeepSeek's rise. The most shocking aspect of DeepSeek's rise is how quickly it happened. Just days after its model was released, DeepSeek vaulted to the top of Apple's App Store, surpassing ChatGPT as the most downloaded app. It's not just a win for DeepSeek, it's a statement that the AI arms race is no longer exclusively in the hands of American tech giants. For investors and companies that have sunk billions into AI, this unexpected shift has led to serious doubts about the necessity of these massive investments. Could DeepSeek's model be a wake-up call for the US tech industry? Many have begun to question if the billions of dollars spent by US companies are even needed anymore. Is it possible to develop cutting-edge AI with a much smaller budget and more efficient algorithms? The fact that DeepSeek has managed to do it for so little is forcing a re-evaluation of the current model of AI development, which has been heavily reliant on vast amounts of computing power and funding. What's truly at stake? What's truly at stake here is not just the financial implications but also the geopolitical ramifications. Is this the moment when China pulls ahead in the AI race? Is DeepSeek really the future of AI, or is it just a fluke? The tech world is divided, and the answers are coming faster than anyone could have anticipated. The secret sauce that stunned the AI world. DeepSeek's breakthrough lies not just in its ability to create a competitive AI model but in how it was done. While US companies like OpenAI, Google, and Meta have focused on massive data centers filled with expensive GPUs to power their AI models, DeepSeek has taken a different approach, one that prioritizes algorithmic efficiency. By focusing on optimizing their models to run on lighter hardware, DeepSeek's R1 can be downloaded and operated on a regular laptop, a far cry from the millions of dollars in infrastructure that US companies rely on. The result is a game-changing model that performs at a similar level to OpenAI's GPT-3 but with dramatically lower costs. This approach raises serious questions about the future of AI development. For years, the AI industry has been dominated by the notion that building the most powerful, resource-heavy systems was the only way to achieve true intelligence. But DeepSeek's R1 model suggests otherwise. With only $5.6 million spent and a little over 2 months of training, DeepSeek has proven that efficiency in smart algorithm design can produce results on par with the biggest AI players in the world. If this is the future of AI, what does it mean for the multi-billion-dollar investments being poured into massive AI infrastructure projects? A new era of AI competition. The efficiency of DeepSeek's model also presents a new era of competition. Instead of relying on brute force computing power, AI development could shift toward maximizing the use of existing resources, making it far more accessible and affordable. This could dramatically alter the balance of power in the AI race, especially as other countries like China start to close the gap with the US. While US tech giants have dominated the AI space for years, DeepSeek's efficiency could potentially level the playing field, allowing smaller companies and countries with fewer resources to develop their own AI models without the massive financial burden. Is DeepSeek's model the future? The AI world is no stranger to surprises, but few could have predicted the meteoric rise of DeepSeek and its R1 model. For years, tech giants like OpenAI, Google, and Meta have led the AI arms race, pouring billions of dollars into developing cutting-edge models. These companies have made headlines with their massive AI infrastructures, including state-of-the-art data centers and thousands of GPUs. But the sudden emergence of DeepSeek has forced the industry to reconsider what's possible in AI development. With a budget of just $5.6 million, DeepSeek has not only built a competitive model but has done so in a fraction of the time and cost it took established players. As analysts and industry leaders process this breakthrough, many are left questioning the assumptions that have underpinned the AI boom. DeepSeek's rapid rise challenges the very foundations of the US-led AI arms race, and it has sent ripples throughout the tech sector. If DeepSeek can develop an AI model with minimal resources, what does this mean for the future of tech giants that have spent billions on their own AI systems? The geopolitical firestorm. The emergence of DeepSeek's AI model has not only disrupted the tech industry but also ignited a geopolitical firestorm. As a Chinese startup, DeepSeek's rise has raised alarm bells in Washington and Silicon Valley alike. The US has long dominated the AI space, with American companies leading the way in both research and infrastructure. But the rapid success of DeepSeek's open-source, low-cost AI model challenges this dominance and raises questions about the future of global AI competition. The changing AI landscape. The arrival of DeepSeek and its groundbreaking $5.6 million AI model has sent shockwaves through the AI industry, challenging the giants of the tech world and raising questions about the future of AI development. With the rise of more efficient, accessible, and affordable AI, the landscape is shifting faster than anyone could have anticipated. The implications for tech companies, governments, and even our daily lives are immense. What do you think? Will DeepSeek change the course of AI forever, or is it just a temporary disruption? Let us know your thoughts in the comments.